This tutorial guides you through splitting a PDF into multiple files using SaasBox. You will learn how to upload your PDF, select pages, and extract them efficiently. Click Search on the Google homepage to begin your query. Fill in trysaasbox.com in the search bar to locate the SaasBox website. Click SaasBox, compress, merge, split, and convert PDFs online from the search results to visit the site. Switch to the trysaasbox.com tab to access the PDF tools directly. Click Split PDF. Separate one PDF into multiple files to open the PDF splitting feature. Click Browse Files to select the PDF document you want to split from your device. Fill here with the PDF file by selecting it from your computer to prepare for splitting. Click here to confirm the PDF pages you wish to discard. Click Page Range to extract to specify which pages you want to split from the PDF. Click Split selected pages into separate PDFs. Zip merge selected pages into one PDF to choose how to split your pages. Click Split and Extract PDF pages to start the process of splitting and extracting your selected PDF pages. You have successfully split your PDF into multiple files using SaasBox. You can now download the extracted pages and use them as needed for your projects or sharing purposes.